Hey creatives, I finished my book. Yeah, okay, so I'm a bit excited about it. So I have been writing this book, and I think I gave you a little bit of a shout out about it a couple of weeks ago or last week, but you might have been wondering why I've been doing a lot of speed paint videos on YouTube recently and not been doing so. I haven't had as much time to do any voiceovers, so I've been going through some process speed paints, and it's because I've had a lot of other projects that I haven't been able to tell you about yet. Until now, I can tell you about them. And one of the projects that I'm involved in is I'm actually going to be one of the teachers on Lifebook 2020 next year. I will be telling you a lot more about that, but get in your calendar the 16th of September because you're going to want to join in on the summit, the pre-Lifebook summit, and it's a creativity and well-being summit, and it's completely free and it introduces you to all of the teachers, including me. But today, what I wanted to tell you about today was more about my book and how you can get a copy of it. So I've actually been wanting to write a book for a while now, and it's been in the back of my mind. You know, it's been one of those projects that have been sitting there on the back burner and I just haven't been focused on it. And then with Lifebook coming up, it really sort of like focused my mind, so I thought this is the time to get it out. And the idea behind this book is that it's just full of exercises, creative exercises. There's lots of tips, there's some overthinking busting exercises and tips in here, and the whole point is to get you creating fearlessly and just playing, really, because I really believe that I love art play. I think art play is really valuable to us all, and it helps in, you know, pretty much any kind of art you do, but it also helps us as well to unwind and de-stress and all of those things. So that's really what the aim of this book is. So it's got quite a few exercises. Let me see. It's got, I think it's 11 exercises. 10 that are new that you won't have seen before, and one of them is actually my envelope template and exercise that I did a while back that you can actually pick up on my YouTube, but there's links in the book as well. It also has templates, it has like ideas on how to go further with some of the exercises. It's just full of stuff. It's even got a colouring page. I was pretty pleased about the colouring page actually, and you know what, I'm going to do the colouring page myself. I haven't done it yet, but I really want to do it. I really hope that you just have a lot of fun with it and just really play, and I hope, you know, it's there for you when you need that little sort of Kickstarter to get you creating, but your attention is to split and you're not exactly sure what to do or concentrate on, and you can literally open any one of these exercises and you've got something there to focus on that's going to get you over that hump and into creating. I've said in the book, you know, you can pretty much use any of these exercises as warm-up exercises, or you can use them as standalone projects in their own rights, and you can sort of like add to them and extend them and just, you know, play with them, do something bigger with them. And you can work through the book, or you could just dip in and out. And some of the exercises I've actually stepped out for you so you can follow the steps one by one, and then other ones, they're more suggestions of things that you can do and sort of some questions that you can ask yourself whilst you're working and things like that to sort of just help you, to guide you through some of the work that you might want to do. So yeah, have a lot of fun with it, and you can, I've printed mine out double-sided, but you could always just print out one or two of the exercises, or of course you can just have it on your tablet or whatever device you like to use whilst you're creating. If you do any of the exercises in the book or that have been inspired by the book, I would absolutely love to see the results. So just tag me on any of your social media shares, and also you can use the hashtag #KimDellow_GetCreating. I've put it on the screen somewhere, and enjoy playing and have some arty fun with it. Okay, so the important part, how do you get your hands on this book? Well, it's actually free. It's something I wanted to do as a giveaway for my newsletter. So you sign up to my newsletter, and then once you've gone through the process, you will get a link to download the book. I'm going to put a link to where you can sign up to my newsletter in the description below, but YouTube doesn't like it when people sort of go off YouTube. So could you do me a massive favour? Could you also share this video with other people who think would enjoy a book like this and who would get something out of it and find it valuable? That would be amazing. So thank you very much. And also, you know, the usual sort of thumbs up and things like that would be great. So yeah, go and get your book, and I can't wait to see what you're going to create with it. Have great fun creating this week, and I'll catch you later. Bye.